philanthropy in itself isn't that important to me. It's the good that you can do with just caring about individuals and seeing other people succeed. I know how much my education meant to me, and any modicum of success that I've had, education played a big part in it. What a few dollars here and there can do, and how kids respond to it and get opportunities that I never had and many before me never had. And so you try to give back some of the success that, just pure luck and hard work has brought me. I'm getting rewarded for something that I'm probably not deserving for. I don't do enough to really justify awards. It's humbling and I appreciate it, but probably not put in the right place. A friend of mine got me involved with the program at Nichols. He introduced me to the program by having me come and listen to a couple of the students who had just gotten back from England. And I assumed all of them were liberal arts students, and from the way they talked, their eyes were wide and they were just, they were brimming with enthusiasm. It was just awe-inspiring to see how much good that one trip did for them. And after that, I was hooked on it, and I've done everything I can to make the program successful. But it's Dr. Doucette that's really responsible for the success of it.